Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to verify your Pi, how to do the KYC. The first thing you have to do is to download Pi browser. Just search on your Google app or App Store, then search for Pi browser, and as it there, I've downloaded it before. Then you click on it. Then let us move to the first action before this. Yeah. So there are list of things you must do in order to be able to verify your Pi account. You can see it over there. I've confirmed my wallet. Then the first thing you have to do before you can be able to verify your account is number one, you can see download Pi browser that we have done that. Number two, create a Pi wallet. I'm going to be showing you that how to create it. Then confirm your Pi wallet, then confirm lockup, and then the next one is verification and the rest. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do everything. It is actually very easy. So the first thing you have to do now is to go to your Pi browser. Go to your Pi browser, open it. Sorry, I mean your Pi app. Just open the app, then you log into the Pi browser from the Pi app. My app is loading. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, don't forget to take anything away from. Just click on the subscribe button and like button. So my app is loading. Let us continue. Yeah, this is my account. So the first thing you have to do, just click on Pi browser. You can see it over here. Then sign into Pi browser. So it will sign into the Pi browser without logging into the Pi browser. So automatically, then it will bring you to this place. Then the first thing you have to do is to click on KYC. You click on KYC over there. Then it will load KYC. So you will complete your verification over there, and the KYC is down for like 24 hours now. So after 24 hours you check again. After 24 hours you check again, it will work. So you can see it over. Sorry, you have reached the current participation limit. If you have successfully, so what you have to do is just to click on verification. You understand? Click on notification. Then once they have the number is not reached, then they will message you and be like, come and verify now under 5 minutes. I will show you another video of where people are verifying their own. So you'll have to, and this is how to log in. Don't forget to I just show you how to create wallet too. That's how to do it. Actually is a Pi minute. This is the test net on, but once you are done with the KYC, you'll be able to work on the main net. But this is test net. Then once you are done, you just click on migration. Let me take you guys to a video on how to work on that.
KYC in Pi network. As always, the usual disclaimer: everything I share in this video is my personal opinion and in no way financial or professional advice of any kind. You should always do your own research, consult certified professionals, draw your own conclusions, and make your own decisions. Now let's talk about the KYC verification in Pi network. There are a few moments I want to draw your attention to. First, Pi network does not use Yoti for KYC verification anymore. Yes, some time ago users had to install a separate application called Yoti and upload their documents there to pass KYC. But it's not the case anymore. To complete KYC in Pi network right now, you will need an app from the Pi core team called Pi browser. Second point that needs clarification: what should the users who have already passed KYC verification in Yoti do now? It's quite simple. They may be asked to provide their address and the number of the ID document that they used for the verification in Yoti, and with that the verification process for them will be completed. And last but not least, some users may still see an error like this when they try to complete KYC. Although KYC is now open for a bigger number of users, it may still take some time till everyone will be able to complete it. If you go to Pi browser and see an error message like this, just wait till you see an invitation in the Pi Network app, or check the Pi browser app from time to time for a free slot. Now, when we clarified all of that, let's see how to complete the KYC in Pi Network. I recorded the screen of my phone earlier when I received the invitation to pass KYC, because the pop-up said that you only had 5 minutes to do that. But as I learned later, some users saw that pop-up for a longer time, and that may mean that you don't really have to rush into the verification process. But I didn't want to miss my chance, and that's why I started straight away. But I of course will comment on everything that needs to be done. As you can see on the screen, the KYC process in Pi Network consists of the following steps. You will need to take a photo of your ID. If you're wondering what documents you're allowed to use for KYC, you may use your passport, your driving license, and your ID card. Then you will need to fill out some of your information and confirm your identity. We also see a notification here that you will have to pay 1 Pi for KYC, which will be charged from your account once your Pi coins are transferred to the mainnet. So as said, as the first step of KYC in Pi Network, you will have to take a picture of your ID. Here you see the requirements for that picture. Photo to add photos of both sides of your document. Once you uploaded the photos of your ID document, as the second step of the verification, you will have to enter some of your personal information. Please keep in mind that you should enter your data in the same language that your ID is written in. You will have to enter your first name, middle name and last name, gender, date of birth, your full address and the document number. And now what's left is the third step of KYC in Pi Network: information. This is a liveness check to confirm that you're a real person. You should follow the instructions that you see on your screen, and of course you should make sure that you have good lighting and that your whole face is visible and not covered with anything. As you can see, I had to take a picture of myself, and please pay attention that the frame around your face is green and not red. And after that, I had to smile into the camera, and with that, app checked if I'm a real person. And my first attempt wasn't successful, and if you also fail for some reason, you can just start from the beginning and try again. After you're done with that, you can once again review all the information and all the data that you provided, and if needed, edit something. And if everything is correct, you can just submit your data for verification. After that, you will see a pop-up that Pi browser is now processing the data that you provided. And when it's done, you will see a screen like that, and your application with that is submitted. You can check in Pi browser in a few days if you pass the KYC verification, and if not, then try again. And if you pass the KYC verification, you're also eligible to become the KYC validator, which means that you will be allowed to verify the identity of other Pi Network users and also earn some Pi in return for that. That's all you need to do to pass the KYC verification in Pi Network.